Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX, your forex trader. So I'm here to share my analysis of this week, starting with Saver. So this is what we expected Saver to drop this um 6.1 61.80 Fibonacci ratio, but it break below it to 78.60 Fibonacci ratio. So since you have not taken out this our invalidation line, then we will find a buy. So I'm looking for a buy setup here. Once I see a buy setup here, I will then buy. I will then buy. Once I see a buy setup here, I will buy up. But in the case that I didn't see a buy setup here, I will allow it because there's a possibility that it might correct to this value place, correct to this value place, and then drop to this place that I marked before you will now buy. So any which one I will be looking. I'll update you guys in our Telegram channel. So if you're not in our Telegram channel, now find the link in the description of this video. So you join Telegram channel and get a premium trades and make a profit. Telegram channel is free. So this guy, this Great Britain Australian dollar. So this one I entered here and I close my trade around here. So when I get to this level, I decided to close my trade because uncertainties. Then the trade goes up and come down. So I'm expecting it will fall. I'll enter again in wave 4. So when wave 4 comes, I'll enter again in wave 4. That is my target. So I'll enter again in wave 4 and then capture the 5. It's going to drop here. I'll capture the 5 and it's going to reach up to here or here. But that's my when wave 4 is completed, that's when I will enter again and start trading. That is all for Great Britain Australian dollar. So let's dive into gold. Okay, gold has been flying. But thank God they decided to correct. Looking at it, you see, it's covered that they have break the trend line. So we expected a correction to this very level, 61.80. So there's a possibility that it may come to this very level. That is here. Any which one. You come here or you decided to break below. So when it begin to move, what we know what it's going to do. It's got a break below here, anyone. But this is what we are expecting because we see that the good has done the complete correction here. And they have moved 5 wave structure. The wave 5 is the extended wave, which is wave 1. So we're going to do correction to this very level here, or anywhere that is stop. We enter our buy. This wave 3 of this wave 1 is going to be super flying. So expect it. DSY. DSY. Okay. As I explained before, consider this year come here and pulled back. Instead of going back. Okay. What I expected here is two things. One, a correction that will come here, and then we'll buy to this very level. Or if you come below here before we now buy. So any which one, I'll update you guys in our Telegram channel. What I expected before was a ending diagonal, but it did not abide to the ending diagonal. So maybe it will still come down or still going up. We'll find out in the middle of the week. Okay, Euro US dollar. This is an Euro US dollar. This is Euro US dollar. This is Euro US dollar. So I expect to end the diagonal also to this very point, but instead it break below. It fall and break below this very place. Has break below will fall. And looking at it, I think the correction has the movement has ended. So we anticipated a sell. So what do we expect? We expect a little below further, then a correction to here, then we sell. We sell. But at the same time, there's a possibility that this trade can still move up to here before a sell. So that's a possibility. This place can be a wave 4. Then this one will become a wave 4. This place can be a wave 4. Why it now move up and complete this trend, touch this box before falling. But all the same, what I am expecting right from what I'm seeing is a drops below and a correction here and a sell. So that is what we are expecting. So you guys open your heart, be watchful and be mindful. How do you know that it's going to go up? How do you know that it's going to correct? You see the movement. One is you see a correction movement, you know correction movement is very sluggish, very slow, and a move and it's sluggish. That's how before you know it is not falling. That's how correction movement is. It's a sluggish movement. So that is what we are expecting from Euro US dollar. Expecting from Euro, that's a move here and a drop. Okay, let me just don't bother you too. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, this is an Euro Great Big Ten. I bought a Euro Great Big Ten. We sold from here. I sold from here to this very place and I closed. Then I'm looking at it. I think would I say the wave 5 is over? This is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is one of the two of one of three, two of three, three of three, and wave three. This is wave 3. So this might be wave 4. So you may see another down move. You come up here, then a drop down. Final down move before it goes up. Or it may not come. This is what I'm expecting. Let me see whether there is any divergence. There's no divergence. There's no divergence. There's divergence here. Divergence between this and this. Divergence is the marking the end of trend. It's how to know the end of trend. Use divergence to know it. Let me find out where. Okay, okay, there's a divergence. Let's see divergence. See it. There's a divergence here. This shows that this trade is coming to an end. Okay. So what are we expecting? Two things. Either it continues going up from here, then break the up, come down, and go again. So we expect it to go up and break this level, and then do correction 50%. Correction 50% before it continues. Correction 50% before it continues going up. Or that is goes up and drop below. Liquidate here before it started going up finally. So I'll update everything in Telegram channel. So be there. Find the link in the video in the description of this video. Okay, this is Great Britain US dollar. Looking at it, they have touched where I wanted to touch the B. So what I'm expecting is a big sell, a very huge sell, a long-term sell to this very level. So what am I going to do? I am going to, looking at it, it has break this very level before, and it have come, and it have done 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's doing 4. It's going to do something like this, and then drop again before it now correct to here. I will sell. So I expected it to work something like this. This is looking at it, you can see this is one, this is two, this is three, and it goes to be four here, and then five. So far, he has broke this very level. Yeah, broke 10 and very level. So I better they say at least at all 15%, which is here. I don't make all this one. This is here. It's very level. You understand? It's going to be a very good style. So we have to have patience. Within the week, you will sell it. So for you to know when we sell it, join our Telegram channel. Wow, this is what I'm expecting. Very good one. Very good one. Okay, we'll be looking for buy for Monday. We're looking for buy on this pair. Maybe we'll stay on down. I don't know. Maybe we'll stay on down here. Do correction there. Then come down before we buy. So we'll be looking for buy in this pair. Is looking at this one, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. A very good one. Playing out as expected. Yeah. This is A, this is B, and this is C. C is nearly complete, so we're looking for buy here. And this buy is going to be a bomb. Going to switch, and we won't miss it. We'll drop the link in the Telegram channel. We're looking for sell here. We're looking for sell to this guy because it's sold from here. It's correcting and imbalances. So I expected it to come up a little bit more to close the fair value gap that is here. It's a fair value gap, you see it. So once it's closed that fair value gap, maybe 50% of fair value gap, or this level, we will start our selling at this level. We'll start our selling down to this very point, a very deep point. This is 50%, and this is 61%. We may take 50% and rest, leave this 1% for. So we are expecting this very trade like this. Let me show you guys. A lot of opportunity today to this next week coming. A lot of opportunity today next week, and it's going to be a very good one. Going to find it. It's good to see the kind of trade 4:9, even 5, honest to 5. So you expect it. The same goes here. There's a breaker block here. As before, I thought it's going to come up from here. Thought it's going to come up this very place, and then close this fair value gap for sale, but it didn't. So I expected it to drop below and come up here to this breaker block, and then sell to this very level. This is the level we are talking. It's going to be a very big sell. Looking at it in 4 hours, let me show you something. Looking at it, you can see there is a big trend line. You have not touched the trend line. This is a very big trend line that is supposed to touch. So it might be coming to that trend line. So I'd better they sell to this very level. Notice that. So Yan may be stronger very soon. Same goes here. BTC. Wow, BTC. I told you about BTC before. When it was here, I thought you were going to come to this box, SBC. So now BTC is flying up. What are we expecting? We're expecting a correction. Once this wave 50 wave is completed, the 50 wave here, then it's going to correct to this 50% to this very level. That's when we're going to buy and hold. That's when the real bull run of that crypto that they normally do every 4 years will happen. So get ready, guys. If you're buying for investment, buy now because it's time to invest in Bitcoin. So who again? Who again? What's big at the gap? S&P. S&P I started correcting, looking at it. Um, Nasdaq. Nasdaq or Nas 100 or US Cash 100. So anyone. So we're ready to correct here and did the way 4 and then start going. Looking at it, already come closer to that place. So I'll be looking in the American session on Monday. I'll be looking for a buy setup, buy it from here, and then make some profit. It might as well do something like this. Looking at it, it might as well do something like this, come up this very level, and then drop here before a reasonable buy. But I'll start looking for buyer on Monday. Once I see a buy setup, I will share with people in my Telegram channel and we'll make our profits. US that US start is moving as expected because I expected it to do an diagonal, and that is what exactly it was doing. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Once it comes for 4, it's going to do 4, then I will buy the 5th one. It's going to do 4, it's going to come up maybe a little bit, drop, come up, drop, till it came to 4, then I'll buy for a 5th side. So guys, be watchful. I think that is all. Okay guys, that is all I wanted to share with you today. Join my Telegram channel. Remember to share this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you some other time.